How to turn on or turn off weather in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on Customization Service. Next, we scroll down, and on the last option, tap on Weather. Tap on the toggle button for weather to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, you can get up-to-date weather notifications for your location based on your daily usage patterns. And that's it. After, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.